concern. Online classes, interactive style. Talk Party, gonna make it worthwhile.
Welcome to the Talk Party. I am your handsome English teacher, Connor Michael. Thank you for joining me again. In Lesson 2, our topic will be Exploring Phonics, Sound Recognition. The objective of this lesson is to introduce students to the fundamentals of phonics by focusing on sound recognition, including consonant and vowel sounds. So let's get started. Phonics is the relation between how words are spelled and how specific letter groups sound. It is used as a method of teaching students how to quickly decode and read words in a language. By having students learn how to identify the sounds of a language early on, they can learn new words that have a logical and repeated pattern of letter more easily. Here are some examples of phonics R in car, air in fern, air in bird, or in fork, in hurt. Here are some more examples. Oi in coin, oi in boy, oo in house, ow in cow, ow in hall. Great job. Stay tuned to the next lesson. Remember, practice makes perfect.